Hey everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hey, for the first time, why don't you subscribe, become the newest member of the Slashed Squad. Here I review products you won't feel guilty buying and do looks you can actually recreate at home. I've been really pumped to share this product with you because it is a discovery that I think will impact my daily routine for a very long time. Today we're talking about natural deodorant made out of mineral salts. Now, before I start talking about the actual products that I've been testing out, I do want to give a little bit of backstory. When I was a senior in high school 7 years ago, I found a lump under my arm. It was tender to the touch, so it did hurt, and it was hard. And that is always something that's very scary and something that should be taken very seriously, especially being so close to the breast. So of course I went straight into the doctor like that same week with my mom. Luckily, the lump wasn't anything super serious. It was just a cyst with fluid buildup. I know that sounds really gross, because I had a few blocked sweat glands underneath my arm. And my doctor explained to me that this is often caused by shaving as well as antiperspirants. Now, if you're unfamiliar, most deodorants you find at the drugstore are also antiperspirants. Not all of them, but if you look on the tube of deodorant, usually it will also say like antiperspirant deodorant. And this is very common because most people want to reduce the amount of sweat in their underarms. And while most people can and do use antiperspirants without any problem, there is always the possibility of a blocked gland that can cause a lump. A lot of the time cysts will go down on their own as other glands kind of take away from it, but in my case I did actually have to have surgery on it. It was nothing major, but it did leave me scarred. And if you've watched any of my laser hair removal videos, you've probably seen this scar, and I think I might have mentioned it once or twice, but here it is. This is the scar under my right arm, and you can see this was kind of the shape of the lump. They just drained it and then they stitched it up actually with dissolving stitches. So after all this happened, my doctor recommended that I start using deodorants that were not antiperspirants. So mind you, this was 7 years ago, and throughout the past 7 years, I've tried natural deodorants and I had not found one that worked. Even if they smelled great, by the end of the day, I still smelled like BO plus lavender. And then there were some that incredibly irritated my underarms where I was like peeling. So I kind of just started going back to using antiperspirants as like my daily routine. But in the back of my head, I always thought, you know, I really should make an effort to find a natural deodorant that works for me, especially because sometimes I will get paranoid if I like see a little bit of redness under my arm, or if I feel a little tenderness, I'm like, oh my God, I don't want to go through that again. So all of this finally leads us here. I got an email a couple weeks ago talking about this Crystal Mineral Deodorant Stick and Stone. I was really intrigued because literally the only ingredient in this product is pure mineral salt. It's fragrance-free, vegan and cruelty-free, and there are no harsh chemicals, but it provides up to 24 hours of odor protection. So I asked the brand if I could try this product. They sent it to me for review, and basically I think my life has changed. Okay, so this product comes in two versions, a mineral stone and a mineral stick. But they're basically the same, except one doesn't have like packaging. It's just a stone, and then it comes with a little dish, and then the other one is a little bit more convenient for on the go or traveling. It looks a little bit more traditional in the sense of a twist up deodorant, but it's still a stone. This is just a solid mineral salt stone. Now, just alone, this is a dry, solid salt stone. But when you get it wet, you'll get a little bit of dissolving action and you rub it under your arms. That will prevent odor for up to 24 hours, and then you don't get any white marks, you don't get staining, and you don't get residue. What I think is the most impressive part of all this is that these are each $6.99, and they can last you up to a year with daily use. With typical invisible solid sticks, I'm probably buying a new one every 2 to 3 months depending. So up to a year at just $6.99 is already such a great bargain. Now I'm going to point out this is a deodorant. This is not an antiperspirant. It's not going to reduce or eliminate any sweat. If you're the type of person who really struggles with excess sweating where you're seeing it through your shorts every day, this probably isn't going to be the product for you. However, if you feel like you're more of an average sweater, maybe you have more when you're being active, this is a great product for you to block odor but let your body detox the way it's supposed to. I was worried moving to a deodorant from an antiperspirant that I would notice all this sweat coming out now because it wasn't being blocked. However, using the Crystal Mineral Deodorant for about a week and a half now, I haven't seen any more sweat than usual when just wearing an antiperspirant. Like, I thought it was gonna be such a drastic difference where I was gonna like see the sweat while I was working out, but I haven't. And it almost makes me wonder, was I ever really sweating all that much to warrant an antiperspirant in the first place? So I just wanted to point that out ahead of time because you might be watching this and you might say to yourself, well, I don't want to sweat under my arms, so I'll stick to an antiperspirant, but I challenge you to switch to a deodorant without an antiperspirant and see how much you're actually sweating, because you might be surprised at how little it is. Okay, so it has been a little bit over a week since I've been testing this every single day and have completely ditched my old antiperspirant. And I did film the experience from the first application to my first workout to even my husband's opinion of my body odor after an intense boot camp class. So we're gonna go back in time a little bit and I'm gonna show you what I experienced during this past week. Okay everyone, so today is Saturday and it's the first day that I'm gonna be using the Crystal Mineral Stone deodorant. So I decided that I'm gonna start out by using the actual stone versus the one that comes in the stick. So I showered just a bit ago and I have very clean skin now. So I will say maybe this was a little bit of a cheat day because it is already 11:43 and I did already go to the gym. However, today is like Halloween Saturday, so we are gonna be going out tonight. We're gonna be dancing up a storm. We're gonna be sweating, we're gonna be drinking. So this will get put to the test today. And then of course I'll be wearing it for the rest of the week. I'll be wearing it to my boot camp class at gym. So, you know, we'll get a good range of activities to test this with. So like I said, my skin is freshly clean. The directions just say moisten top of stone and apply generously to clean skin. So I'm just right next to the sink. I'm gonna moisten the top of the stone. Okay, I haven't used this yet, but because it's mineral salts, like I just wanna taste it. Is that weird?
That's nasty.
Oh, it's definitely salt. Okay, I don't recommend doing that. Okay, so I moistened the top of the stone and now I'm just going to apply it under my arms. This is so weird. Now what I think I'm gonna need to get used to on top of like this whole interesting method is that this is fragrance free. And usually I know my deodorant is working when I can smell the fragrance versus BO. So I don't know, I think that's gonna be a little bit of something getting used to where I'm not gonna smell like the floweriness, but hopefully I also don't smell BO. And literally the only ingredient that I'll show you right now is ammonium alum, which is mineral salts. All right, so it's on and I will update you maybe either later tonight or tomorrow morning because, I mean, tonight's gonna get a little crazy and I'll let you know how it worked. So it's the morning after Saturday night where we celebrated Halloween downtown and surprisingly, everything smells okay. It just smells like skin, if that makes sense. And last night I got really hot in bed because, you know, after drinking you kind of get sweaty and I have like no issues. All right, so I ended up going a little harder than I planned. I actually ran a 5K. So I'm gonna do a little sniff test and just see how I smell. Oh, my neighbors are pulling in to the street and that is awkward. Okay. I don't think I smell anything. I really don't think I smell anything. Interesting. Okay, well, tomorrow I'm going to boot camp and then we're gonna have my husband smell me and he's not going to hold anything back, so we'll see. But so far, I really think this works. All right, it is Tuesday, October 30th. I've been using the Crystal deodorant now for about 4 days, but today I feel like is probably the biggest test for this deodorant. Today I'm going to boot camp. I've been going to Tough Mudder boot camp the past 2 months now, and it is a crazy workout, and I definitely get my sweat on. All right, everyone, so I am back from boot camp and Adam here has smelled me. And you've also been to boot camp, so you know like how hard it is, and I get my sweat on. And what did you just tell me?
It smells like nothing.
Doesn't smell like anything. So I think the deodorant works. What do you think?
Guess so.
Yay! So as you saw this week, I tested out the Mineral Stone. I just really liked the idea of, you know, swiping this rock under my arm. It's just kind of different and fun. Now I do want to talk a little bit about the difference of application using a Mineral Stone versus your traditional invisible solid stick deodorant. Now of course you are getting one of the sides wet in order to dissolve it a little bit and make it spreadable under your arm. Now I could see how maybe that could be a burden in terms of how like on the go friendly this is, but seeing as that I usually apply deodorant at home or at least in a bathroom somewhere, I don't really foresee myself having a problem doing that. Aside from having to get it wet prior to use, one of the bigger differences in terms of application is the number of swipes or the coverage that you want to get with the stone. With the stone, you want to make sure that you get an even coverage and a good barrier. So my like routine of applying it has been kind of like a few circles and then going up and down across the width of my armpit. So it's not just like this and then move on. It's like, you know, get a good coverage there. I love that it doesn't leave me sticky. I love that I don't have to worry about it getting on my clothes. And I also love that it doesn't leave any visible residue under my arm, because sometimes when I was going in with an invisible solid stick pretty generously, you kind of end up with that frosty look, or you might even have like deodorant chunks that are left under your arm. With this, you don't have any of that. Something that I definitely had to get used to was the fact that this was unscented in general though, because that was kind of like a cue that I had for myself that I didn't smell, was that if I smelled like my flowery deodorant, that meant I didn't smell like BO. So it was a little bit nerve-wracking to be like, I don't smell anything, so do I smell bad? No, you just don't smell like BO. And then I ended up really loving the fact that this was unscented, because I didn't realize how overpowering my old deodorant was. When I started using this, I could actually smell the scent of my body lotion longer throughout the day. I could smell my perfume longer throughout the day. I had no idea that my deodorant was so overpowering until I switched to an unscented product. But overall, I was just really pleasantly surprised at the fact that wearing this for a full 24 hours, I didn't smell one hint of funkiness. So I think it's safe to say I finally found a winner when it comes to natural deodorant that doesn't irritate me, that actually works, and it's so affordable. $7 for a year of use, like come on now. So unless I'm trying out a new deodorant to review, I'm pretty confident that this is gonna be my new daily go-to. I'm gonna continue to use the stone version at home just because it is less plastic and it's, you know, cool. And then I'll save the stick for traveling because the stone obviously isn't all that travel friendly. Now, to be completely transparent with you all, I probably do still plan on using antiperspirant sprays on other areas of my body and not my underarms. For example, in the summer, I'll usually spray some dry spray on my back and then like in my underboob area, because those are the areas that I actually sweat the most and where I will sweat through a shirt. So because this isn't a sweat focused product, I probably will still, you know, have an antiperspirant handy, but I like the dry spray for those areas and not like a stick. But for my underarms, this is the way that I'm gonna go. So you can find the Crystal Mineral Deodorant in some drugstores, you can find it on Amazon, and you can find it on their website. What I think is really cool about buying straight from them is they do offer a 60-day return guarantee. So if you decide that it's not for you, you can change your mind. I will leave all those links below if you're interested in checking the Crystal Mineral Deodorant out. I'm really curious to hear if you have ever tried out natural deodorant, if you've found one that worked for you. Leave your stories in the comments below. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe, become the newest member of the Slash Squad. What's one more person on your subscription page? I mean, really. And if you've done that, fist bump, but have you hit the bell icon so you know every time a new video goes live. If you don't turn on video notifications, then YouTube decides what you want to watch and not you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!